Forgotten username recovery failed on Clarity Money fix. You open Clarity Money, try to recover your account and the recovery link just won't work. It says your username can't be found, even though you're sure you had one. Frustrating, right? But here's the surprising truth: Clarity Money was officially discontinued after being acquired by Marcus by Goldman Sachs. That means the old Clarity Money login system no longer works because the service itself was migrated or shut down. If you're still trying to access budgeting data or transaction history, here's what you can do. First, check whether you had connected your Clarity Money account to Marcus. If you ever created a Marcus account during the transition, try logging in there using the same email address you used for Clarity. Your financial data or account details may have been transferred automatically. If not, you'll need to contact Marcus customer support directly. Provide the email you use on Clarity Money, the date you joined, and any link bank information so they can verify your old records. In some cases, they can still retrieve limited information or confirm account closure. If you never linked to Marcus, unfortunately, direct access to Clarity Money no longer exists, but that doesn't mean your banking data is gone. Since Clarity Money only used read-only connections through Plaid, your financial institutions were never affected and your money remains secure. So when your Clarity Money username recovery fails, it's not your fault. The platform itself has been retired. The best move now is to create a new budgeting setup using Marcus Insights or another trusted finance app like Mint or PocketGuard. The key takeaway: don't panic. Your accounts are safe and your data privacy remains intact. You just need to move your budgeting process to a current app. That's how you fix the failed recovery issue for Clarity Money once and for all.